to the library, so I have to take a shower. Cinnamoroll likes going to the library because he likes reading books. Time to shower! Cinnamoroll goes to the library almost every day. Wow, so fresh! It's time to clean my body. Cinnamoroll has finished showering. It's time for him to dry his body and choose clothes to go to the library. Come on, let's help the Cinnamoroll choose clothes. It's time to choose clothes. Which one will I wear? It looks like this one is good and suitable for Cinnamoroll. Wow, the clothes are so cute. Every time Cinnamoroll wants to read a book in the library, he has to provide a photo. So, let's print the photo. I'll print this one. Yay! It's done! Come on. Here's the photo. Okay, now that we're done, let's go to the library. Hi, Melody. I want to read a book. Hi, Cinnamoroll. You can read books here. This is my photo. Okay, Cinnamoroll. I will read this book. Okay guys, that's today's story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye everyone.